Hello, I'm Marcus Brix with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Rec Agri Real Estate and Auction. Rec Agri Realty and Auction is offering the RGM Ranch for sale in southwestern Nebraska. This 13,400-acre ranch is a Stewardship Award winner, has terrific facilities, and comes with all the equipment. Check it out at recagri.com. The latest data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics revealed 5% year-over-year inflation in March. Food, as a component of the CPI inflation number, was up 8.5% year-over-year, but March was unchanged monthly versus February. The USDA all-fresh retail beef price at $7.23 a pound was also even month-over-month and down 1.5% versus year-ago levels. Wavering inflation today compares to swelling food inflation last year. Food prices rose 1% per month from January to May of 2022. Long-run food prices have been rising by an average of 0.3% per month since 2013, and March was the first month without increasing food prices since November of 2020. The classic Phillips curve suggests as inflation softens, a downward trend must be occurring in aggregate demand. This creates an inverse relationship with inflation and unemployment. If inflation is dropping, then rising unemployment might be the driver. March unemployment held near historic levels at 3.5%. The 4-week average initial jobless claims data from Fred shows initial claims have crept up to their highest since 2018, outside the pandemic spike, of course. Still, at an average of 240,000 new claims last week, jobless counts are nearly 100,000 jobless fewer than at the pre-Great Recession low in 2007. Keep in mind the U.S. labor pool has grown by roughly 14 million since 2007 and March 2023. Initial jobless claims represent only 1.4 thousandths of the U.S. labor pool at today's level, whereas jobless claims made up for 2 thousandths of the labor pool in 2007. Major disruptions to U.S. employment figures would hurt beef demand, but currently beef demand is projected to remain strong at retail and food service. Food cattle values at record highs this week reflect both strong beef demand and improved leverage versus the past 5 years. Cash cattle this week traded light to moderate activity in the South at $175 per hundredweight, mostly $3 higher than last week. Fed cattle managed to gain $12 per hundredweight in the past 3 weeks in the South. In the North, prices have rallied $17 per hundredweight in the past 3 weeks, trading live prices in the low 180s. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.